Hey campers, Riley Johnson here from Riverwood RV, and I am back in Elkhart, Indiana again for the Thor 2023 Product Expo. Here I'm standing in front of the new KZ Connect 312 RE, one of their new floor plans, and I'm gonna be honest guys, I'm really excited to show you. This is the first time I've been able to see it, so I'm here to share it with you. While we're on the outside, I'm gonna show you the great pass-through storage that you see. Great space for you guys with all your hookups. Just to give you kind of an idea of the layout, this is what it's going to look like. So it's going to have a nice king-size bed, two opposing pull-out sofas. It's only just over 36 feet. It's going to sleep 6 people, guys. KZ, solid steps, grab handle, that's a standard. One thing that they're making a standard this year on KZ is the screen defender. Help your dogs not wreck your screens as fast, guys. It's only 7,300 pounds dry. Comes in at about 9,500 full gross vehicle weight. I mean, when you step inside, guys, the opposing slide-outs just really make this gargantuan size camper. I mean, take a look at this nice dinette area for everybody. Plenty of space. You only got to worry about squeezing. And it being so close to the kitchen, you actually could use that as counter space when you're over here cooking. Nice big farmhouse sink. Plenty of cabinet space throughout the whole unit. Three-burner cooktop stove with a backsplash. Nice mirror to take a look on the backside of your campground. Oven option as well. Standard microwave. Is this a two-way refrigerator? Or 12? Oh, this is a 10 cubic foot refrigerator KZ came out with this year by Furrion. Nice big rear entertainment area, guys. Fold out couches, plus you get your heat massage theater seats. Super comfortable. You just sink right in, guys. Can't go wrong with Thomas Payne furniture. Electric fireplace. We're getting really late into the camping season, guys, and I'm from North Dakota, so having that electric fireplace is a huge plus in the RV in the later season. Plenty of space for DVD, games. Your Bluetooth Jensen radio system's up here that does connect to the TV. What else? More storage here. New RV air cool system, so it's on demand, AC right away. It's 40% quieter than your traditional AC unit. It's going to be real nice on demand, and it's still using their classic racetrack system. So it's funneling and feeding itself air throughout the whole unit. Got your control panel up here, tell you all your empty, full, black, gray, fresh tanks. Connect your Bluetooth, your slide out awnings. Come take a look at the bathroom, guys. Great big shower you can fit inside of. Porcelain toilet. Actually give you a nice medicine cabinet in here. But yeah, it's plenty of space, guys. KZ always does a really nice job of making enough space for everybody, and they give you the nice skylight, some natural light in here. And as I was saying at the beginning of the video, guys, this is going to come with a king size bed. That is a standard on KZ Connect. Flip up, got your storage underneath. And then what's really cool, come check this, guys. It's got USB and hot outlets back here, so if you have a CPAP machine, charge your phone, any electronics, great spot for that. You got your nice closet, cabinets, and then here you also do, believe it or not, one thing KZ's coming out with is the washer and dryer prep in the Connect. You don't typically see that in a lot of travel trailers, but one thing that's really nice about it is if you are a full-time camper, you can double up and get the accommodations of the washer and dryer prep. But it also can be used for great storage. There you guys have it. The new Connect 312 RE by KZ. It's going to be out this year. We're very excited to share it with you guys. Riverwood RV in Mandan, North Dakota. Check us out online at riverwoodrvs.com. Until next time, I'm Riley Johnson. Have a good day, folks.